All right, guys, it's Oso and Jay back at the 626 night market. This time we thought we'd try something a little different and show you the nightlife that we sort of skimmed on last time around. This time we're here, it's dark. As you can see, it's starting to get pretty dark. The lights are coming up. The atmosphere is starting to get pretty pumped, pretty hyped. It's a lot different than in the morning or the afternoon, where it's a little more calm, a little more chill. From Arcadia, California, we're at the 626 night market. Juan, show them around. All right, we're here sitting down finally with our first of the night. What hot mess have we gotten ourselves into?
This right here is a Hashbrown Bull. So it has, I believe, 5 hash browns. Mine have been topped also with pork belly. Also didn't get any, of course. Besides that, it also has some spicy mayo, another sauce that I don't quite remember right now, unfortunately, and some green onions. Every time that I have a fried potato, I always judge it based off of how crispy the exterior is and how fluffy the inside is. This is a perfect balance. It has a nice crunch to it, but once you bite it, it's soft, slightly melts in your mouth. I also had some of the pork belly. Pork belly was good. Obviously, if you like pork, you're gonna love pork belly. It's kind of like fatter bacon. And I think that the sauces and the green onions were a nice complement. It just seals the whole package, in my opinion.
So it looks like the people are feeling it a little bit. They're feeling the shawarma. They're trying to get the people in here, get their shawarma. They got the shawarma French fry bowl. They got the shawarma pita. They got the feta cheese French fries bowl. I actually might be down for some of that. And we're back to sort of give our well-marinated thoughts on Noragami. I had the one of the vegetarian options, so Noragami has several vegetarian options. That was pretty refreshing. I had their Beat It, which was beets that are marinated in sweet soy sauce and then put into a seaweed hard shell. Really enjoyed it. Feel like it could have been a little more flavorful, like they could have done more with it, but overall solid 4 out of 5. There's room for improvement, but it was definitely worth what I paid for it. I also had one of their lemonades. They have beast lemonades. So blueberry acai lemonade, and that was spectacular. That was absolutely delicious. Now, if you're gonna have it, you're gonna want to make sure you shake it up because it does have a tendency to settle, but once you get it shaken up, it is phenomenal. That one's definitely gonna have to be 4.5 for me out of 5. Not much you can do with a lemonade to make it that much better. Really, it comes down to the ingredients, but the ingredients were solid. Jay's got some information for us where he has his beat hands down.
I think we should begin by explaining what Noragami is, since we kind of didn't give any context earlier. So Noragami is a new take on sushi. If you got traditional sushi rolls, but instead of wrapping it in the seaweed, you roast the seaweed into a taco shell type of shape. The shell is hard, so you can actually pick it up and it will stay in taco shape. Each taco is then filled with sushi rice. If you don't have a vegetarian option, it will also come with imitation crab. What I personally got was the dragon, which is their take on a dragon roll, which, if you don't know, is eel with avocado and eel sauce. Overall, the taste was really good. I would also give mine a 4. Unfortunately, the avocado ran out. And the eel, I really wish that there was more eel because I do love the eel taste. When it comes to their actual main toppings, they kind of skimmed just a little bit. Perhaps that's actually maybe because we came later at night. Maybe if we came earlier, it would have been higher. I'm not too sure. Overall, it's still a really good taco and I would definitely get it again. Where I do think they shine, however, was my drink. I got a lychee lemonade. It was really good, and you all know that I love my sweets, and that was definitely sweet. When you first take a sip, it has that nice sweet taste of a lychee, and then once you get it down, it has that nice tangy aftertaste of a lemonade. That was phenomenal. 4.9. That 0.1 is because I can't have more. Yeah.
right, guys, our night here at the 626 Night Market is coming to an end, sadly. Would have been nice to have explored a lot more, but unfortunately we got here late due to weather conditions. It was a hot day in Arcadia, California, but I feel like we had a good night altogether. You know, overall we got some good food for sure. We tried some new stuff.
When it comes to 626, you do want to consider if you want to come early, you get shorter lines, but you do have to deal with the heat. Whereas if you come later at night, it's definitely a lot cooler, but more people are here, so you do have longer lines, especially now that it's starting to become more popular. A lot of more people are coming here. Yeah, overall, I had a really fun time. I did try some new food and I did like it, and I definitely will be back for that lychee lemonade.
So if you are going to be traveling from out of state, or maybe even out of country, to come check out the 626 Night Market, you should be aware that they are on social media, so you can check them out. They have a website.
They have an Instagram.
They have an Instagram. Yeah. Are they on Twitter? You know? I'm not sure if they're on Twitter. We'll check up on that. The party isn't stopping here, but unfortunately, we are done. It is time for us to go home. We've had a great time, and if you've enjoyed the video, make sure you're hitting that like button. Make sure you're putting us in your favorites. Make sure you hit that subscription button. Make sure you're leaving a comment. Let us know what you thought. Oh, I'm sorry, what?
Subscription button.
Is it not a button anymore? Or am I,
but it's a subscribe button.
It's just fine. Hit the subscribe button. Give us a like. Make sure you're leaving a comment. Share it with your friends. Put us in your favorites. You know what it is. Give us some love. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Thank you for joining us. And until the next episode of We Suck at Cooking, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. It's time to go home. Let's get the hell out of here.